Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you a tutorial of how to make super fluffy slime. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. On with the video.
We haven't uploaded a new video, so we decided to make a new slime video about really making slime that's so cool.
And it's really fluffy. Please try this recipe out. We have these big spoons. We decided they work best. You also need your activator. We used half a cup of water and 1 tablespoon of borax. But if you're going to make a huge batch, read down the description below of how much to use. You'll also need white Elmer's glue and shaving foam.
First, we're going to need some Elmer's glue. We got a big jug in case we need to make extras or new ones in case we make mistakes. We pour it in the bowl.
Wow, that looks so nice. It reminds me of a glossy slime, even though we're making fluffy.
Now we are going to add some of the shaving foam.
This is the part I like the most. The most. I really like it the most. It's so satisfying when you mix it.
Now I'm going to make my batter. And I'm also going to need some help pouring in the glue. It's so heavy.
So I'm going to need to help her with that. I have to help my sister with the glue since it was too heavy for her.
Now I need to get my shaving foam. I want mine to be extra fluffy.
I'm a fan of extra fluffy slime too. It's just so satisfying when you mix up the shaving foam and the glue together. It just looks so nice. Now we're going to go ahead and start mixing.
Wow, this is so fun. I'm going to call it Thunderful.
Wow. Don't you like it when you mix up the shaving foam and the glue together? It just is so satisfying.
It creates a cloud kind, although it's on actual houses.
It just relieves all of my stress. So satisfying. What's your favorite part about making fluffy slime?
My favorite part is mixing the shaving foam and glue. It just makes a cloud.
Same, I love that part. It's so nice and I really like it. Already activated it and our slime's not looking too well.
It's really sticky. Not how I imagined, but at least it's not going to be like it forever.
Wow, it looks kind of as if it's breaking a little, but it's going to look good in the end. For me, I haven't even wanted to touch it yet. Eesh, it looks kind of moist. Okay, this looks really nice.
My slime is a little lumpy and a little stiff, but if you add some lotion, it would be a-okay.
Yes, she's right. It looks really nice this way. As you can see, it's really fluffy and it has a really good bounce to it. I really like it.
I really love making slime. It's not my favorite thing to do, but I just love the feel of it.
So satisfying. I mean, like, look at that. Wow, it looks really good.
A way to make it not stick is to wash your hands before mixing with your hands.
Hey, this is the time I'm going in with my hands. Wow, it feels so incredibly fluffy. What do you think?
I actually really think it's so fluffy too.
It looks like a marshmallow. You can see it's kind of stiff, but that's the thing with fluffy slimes. Sometimes it turns out that way when you're barely playing with it with your hands.
Her slime is a little lumpy because it was the first time she was ever touching it with her hands, but she had made slime before.
Wow, your slime looks really nice. Look at that stretch.
I just decided to add some pink food coloring. It's a neon pink from a pack. It came with green, purple, orange, and neon pink.
Wow, look at that stretch. When she stretches it, it looks so nice with those stripes. Mine's just plain white, but I love it.
Please like and subscribe, and please share with your friends.
Bye everyone.